this session, we are going to discuss the poem The People Upstairs, written by Ogden Nash. First of all, I would like to tell something about the poet Ogden Nash. He was born in 1902. He was an American writer of humorous and witty poetry. He wrote about ordinary problems of daily life. Some of his well known books are The Tale of Custard the Dragon and Adventure of Isabel. Ogden Nash captures the frustration of sharing house or apartment with people who are loud. Having walls that are connected means hearing everything that has on next door on the floor above. The speaker is frustrated with his noisy neighbors, and throughout the 12 lines of this poem describes that it sounds like from his floor. People who have shared walls with neighbors will quickly relate to this poem. The people upstairs. The people upstairs all practice ballet. Their living room is bowling alley. Their bedroom is full of conducted tours. Their radio is louder than yours. They celebrate all weekends all the week. When they take a shower, your ceilings leak. They try to get their parties to mix by supplying their guests with pogo sticks. And when their fun at last abates, they go to the bathroom on roller skates. I would love the people upstairs wonders if instead of above us they just lived under us. The first line of the poem is the people upstairs all practice ballet. Ballet is a classical form of dance, usually with music. Through these lines, the poet describes their noisy neighbors. The next line is their living room is bowling alley. Their bedroom is full of conducted tours. Bowling alley means a long, narrow wooden land down which the ball is rolled in bowling. You can see this game in malls. And conducted tour means conducted guided visits to see something or some place of interest. Through this line, poet expresses how noisy and busy the place is. Their radio is louder than yours. They celebrate weekends all the week. When they take shower, your ceilings leak. Through this line, the poet expresses they play the radio loudly, have parties throughout the week. Constant loud noises bother him. They celebrate their weekend all the week. This line tells us that their party goes on for a long time. When they take a shower, your ceilings leak. Here, the poet expresses that they shower for a long time. The excessive use of water makes the poet imagine that the ceiling leak. They try to get their parties to mix by supplying their guests with pogo sticks, and when their fun at last abates. Through this line, the poet expresses they encourage their guests to be as noisy as they are by supplying them pogo sticks with which they can jump off the ground. They go to the bathroom on roller skates. I would love the people upstairs wonder as if instead of above us they just lived under us. This line shows how they enter the bathroom on roller skates to describe how their movement is noisy too. And the writer prefers if the neighbors lived in another floor since he could even love them more. This speaker is frustrated with his noisy neighbors, and throughout the 12 lines of this poem describes what it sounds like from his floor. They are inconsiderate, noisy, and selfish neighbor. This poem gives us humor and a serious message. It stresses the necessity to live without being disturbed by noisy.